Imagine stepping out into your garden on a sunny morning. The air is fresh and the birds are singing. You see rows of vibrant green cucumber plants, their leaves glistening with dew. Soon you'll be picking crisp cucumbers for delicious salads and snacks. This dream can be yours. Growing cucumbers is easier than you think, and this guide will show you how. Even if you're new to gardening, you can grow fantastic cucumbers. We'll start with the basics and give you all the tips you need. Get ready for a bountiful harvest. It's time to get your hands dirty and grow some amazing cucumbers. Let's get started on this exciting journey together. Your taste buds and your garden will thank you. Before we start planting, we need to choose the right cucumber varieties. It's like picking the best players for our garden team. There are two main types of cucumbers, vining and bush. Vining cucumbers like to climb and need support, while bush cucumbers stay compact. Think about your garden space and choose the type that suits you best. Next, think about what kind of cucumbers you love to eat. Do you prefer long slicing cucumbers for sandwiches? Or maybe you love crunchy pickling cucumbers? There's a perfect cucumber variety out there for everyone. Now for the fun part, planting. Cucumbers love warm soil, so it's best to wait until after the last frost to plant them outside. You can start seeds indoors a few weeks earlier if you like. Choose a sunny spot in your garden that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight a day. Cucumbers need plenty of sunshine to grow big and strong. Plant the seeds about an inch deep in the soil and give them a good watering. Make sure to space your cucumber plants far enough apart. Vining cucumbers need more space than bush cucumbers. This gives the roots plenty of room to spread out and grow. Cucumbers are sun worshippers. They need plenty of sunshine to produce lots of delicious cucumbers. Make sure your cucumber plants are getting at least 6 hours of direct sunlight every day. Just like us, cucumbers need good food to grow. That's where healthy soil comes in. Before planting, add some compost or manure to your soil. This gives your cucumbers the nutrients they need to thrive. Keep an eye on your cucumber plants and make sure they're growing strong. If they look a little yellow, they might need more sunshine or nutrients. In this section, we're diving into the essentials of caring for your cucumber plants, focusing on water, weeds, and keeping a watchful eye. Cucumbers love water, especially when it's hot outside. Make sure to water your cucumber plants regularly, ensuring the soil stays moist but not soggy. It's best to water at the base of the plant to avoid getting the leaves wet, which can lead to disease. Now, weeds are like party crashers in your garden. They compete with your plants for water and nutrients. Keep your cucumber patch weed-free by pulling them out regularly. Remember, a little weeding goes a long way. Lastly, keep a close eye on your cucumber plants for any signs of pests or diseases. Early detection is key to keeping your plants healthy and productive. Vining cucumbers love to climb. Giving them some support helps them grow strong and produce more cucumbers. You can use a trellis, fence, or even some sturdy stakes. Gently train the cucumber vines to climb the support by loosely tying them with soft twine or garden clips. This helps them get more sunlight and air circulation. As your cucumber plants grow, they'll reward you with beautiful yellow flowers. These flowers will eventually turn into delicious cucumbers. After all your hard work, it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Cucumbers are ready to harvest when they're firm, green, and about the size you want them. Use a sharp knife or garden shears to cut the cucumbers from the vine. Don't pull them off, as this can damage the plant. Pick your cucumbers regularly to encourage more growth. Freshly picked cucumbers taste amazing. They're crisp, refreshing, and perfect for all sorts of delicious dishes. Now that you have a bounty of fresh cucumbers, it's time to get creative in the kitchen. Cucumbers are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in countless ways. Slice them up for refreshing salads, add them to sandwiches for a satisfying crunch, or blend them into cool and hydrating smoothies. You can also pickle cucumbers, make cucumber water, or even try your hand at cucumber soup. The possibilities are endless. Experiment with different recipes and discover your favorite ways to enjoy your garden fresh cucumbers. Congratulations on joining the wonderful world of cucumber gardening. With a little care and attention, you'll be enjoying bountiful harvests of fresh, delicious cucumbers in no time. Remember to choose the right cucumber varieties for your garden and provide them with plenty of sunshine, water, and nutrients. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases, and don't forget to harvest your cucumbers regularly. Most importantly, have fun and enjoy the journey. Gardening is a rewarding and relaxing hobby that connects you with nature and provides you with fresh, healthy food. Happy growing!